Guys, so we're gonna show you Christmas Airbnb where we spent. We're here in Atlanta, Georgia, Duluth. Opening hallway. Go up the stairs. Washing and drying. The master suite. This is bedroom number one. Some of this ain't gonna be pictured. This is where our bedroom was. Packing. Go into the living room. Then outside. Master deck. We go downstairs. You got the movie theater. Made a lot of good pictures and video over here. Pool table. We didn't even get to crack this thing open like we wanted to. I got maybe one good game in. Then another bathroom. Like I said, people are still using the facility. Bathroom, bedroom in the center. Another couple closets. It's Airbnb, so they keep doors locked around here. So in the kitchen. Dining room, living room, bedroom number 2, bathroom, hallway, and we have one more bathroom down the hall, and we out this. Yo, this was actually fun. This was a great time to spend with family doing the Airbnb. So, appreciate y'all tuning in. See y'all next year.